You search for how to buy shares of CAPD.L, which trades on LSE PLC under the ticker CAPD.L. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy CAPD.L, you will need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. On the eToro platform, use the search box to enter the ticker CAPD.L. Select the result that clearly matches CAPD.LD to open the correct listing. On the asset page, review the basic company information and study the price chart. Confirm the company name and the CAPD.L ticker to make sure you have the right stock. Click Invest, choose the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order will be queued as a pending instruction, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the example shown. This is an educational demonstration.